Hello there. Today, I will briefly tell you how you can make such designs. I would be glad if you subscribe at first. Let's start now. Here we go to the print section and select the desired work size. I will work in A4 size. You can adjust the margins according to yourself. I will set it as 0. You can also specify the number of pages as you wish. I am doing 10 because I will do it as an example. Now we will create the image fields you see on the left side. To do this, first grab the rectangular frame tool from the tool menu on the left and create the image areas yourself. After you have created the visual fields yourself, we are going to find suitable images from the internet. I use the Pexel site to get stock photos. I find images on photography. I'm downloading this image and a few similar images. We can download and use them for free from the button at the top right. Now we need to place the images we downloaded into the image fields we created. To do this, I select one of the image fields, use the Ctrl+D command and select the image I want to place. I right-click to position the image, go to Fit, fill the frame proportionally, then make the necessary adjustments and continue. I do the same for all image areas. After completing all the visuals, I proceed to prepare the text part. For this, I first create the sections by taking the text tool from the toolbox on the left side. For the title text, I adjust the size of the text according to myself. Here I choose the font I like for myself, adjust the font size according to the design, and adjust the alignment so that it is in the same position as the image on the left side. Then, I take the text tool again and write the text in the section below the title, adjust the spacing between them, and adjust the font size myself. To make the text design at the bottom, I take the text tool in the same way and create the text part of the size I want. To add ready-made text, I right-click on the text field I created and say Fill with placeholder text. In this way, the text is automatically filled for me without me doing anything. There is a part where there is a terp to divide the text into. It is at 1 and we can divide the text by moving it to 2. We can also adjust the distance between the texts by increasing the value next to the column spacing. In terms of alignment, I set all of them to be fully justified, only the text ends to be left justified. After completing the alignment processes, I go to the patterns from the Pages section on the right. My goal is to create a simple and beautiful image on the background. For this, I go to the Freepik site and search for a simple paper-shaped image. I download the image I like. Then I create a rectangular frame area from the left side menu. In this visual area I place the image I downloaded from the internet with the Ctrl+D command. Then I align it. Then I drag the pattern page and apply it on the normal page. In this way, I complete the design. As you can see, we have released the same design in a short time. If you want to get more aesthetic and beautiful images, you can select the images and give various effects from the border section, for example like this. Yes, I briefly told you how to design a page with the Adobe InDesign program in a short time. Please subscribe to our channel if it worked for you. That's all from us for now. Goodbye.